What do you think about when you hear the term networking? For me, I'm imagining an event with mostly people in suits that just want to hand you their business card and tell you about their business, trying to see if you are the perfect client or customer for them. And as soon as they realize that you're not, they're going to move on to the next person. And at the end of the day, you'll end up with this stack of business cards, yet you haven't made one good connection. I don't know what it is about the term networking. There's something about it that just makes me go like, ugh, and cringe. And I think it's just because I've been to so many unfacilitated networking events. And a lot of times the organizers, they don't know what they're missing out on what they could be doing if they just gave a couple of prompts to people that help them connect faster. So today, I want to share with you the difference between networking and connecting, and I will give you some tips that you can apply when you attend a networking event, but also when you go to any other social event like a party or just hanging out with friends in the park, because you need to be able to make those connections at any of the events that you're planning to attend. At least one connection. So before you attend any event, let's start with a couple of little mindset tricks. Wow, that sounded like Yoda, what is it? Star Wars? Jedi, like a Jedi mind trick. That's what I'm going to teach you right now. First of all, I believe that strangers are just friends I haven't met yet. And if you go into an event with that mindset of not thinking, oh my God, I don't know anyone and everybody's a stranger, but going in and thinking, okay, these are all people that I might gone to high school with and I haven't talked to them in many, many years. And that difference actually shows up in each conversation that you're having. So just think about, what if everybody was already a friend? You just haven't met yet. And number two, I want you to set an intention that isn't, I'm trying to connect with everyone and meet everyone and have a conversation with everyone at this event. What if your intention is to just make one good connection that you get to know much deeper and much more meaningfully than having a bunch of small talk conversations staying on the surface with like 10 or 20 people? And lastly, I want you to believe that you are interesting. Everyone is interesting, and probably most people that are attending an event, they want to just talk to someone too. So take the courage and approach someone if they're by themselves, and I'll share some more tips in the next video on how to exactly do that and overcome that fear if that's something that is holding you back from connecting with people. So I'll see you in the next video.